In this video, we're going to go ahead and learn how to now add our custom tool into TopTool. Now, there's two ways to launch TopTool. You can go into a CAM document and do it that way, but because I want to be able to jump back and forth between TopSolid and TopTool, I'm going to go ahead and launch TopTool outside of TopSolid. So to do that, I'm going to go to my Windows Start button, and I'm going to go to All Programs. I'm going to go find my TopSolid 2008 or 2009, depending on which version you're working with, and I'm going to go to TopTool. This will launch TopTool outside of TopSolid. So I'm going to say go ahead and go. Okay, from here I'm going to simply go to Tools Definition, Single Tool. I'm going to find the family of tool I want, which in this case is going to be a grooving tool, external grooving tool, and now I'm just going to hit Add. To start with, I'm going to give this a name, so I'm going to call this Bill's Special Groove Tool. Okay? And now we're going to start by describing things. So remember the 2.85 wide insert? That's what we're going to describe here. Groove depth, maybe we'll call it 10 millimeters. We didn't measure that, but that's okay. Tool corner radius in this case, we're going to call it 0. It's a left-handed tool. And now we have to give the X length to program. Okay, so here our X length to program is going to be this value here, the 31.925. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Our Z length to program is the default amount. This is sticking out of our tool holder eventually when we link this to a holder. So I'm just going to set it at 150. And we're going to leave the H1 dimension at 8 for now. Here I'll even describe the cutting material, which I can do by tapping F1. I'll say it's carbide. Being that we're not linking this with a specific type of insert, we're going to change the insert type here as well. I'm going to hit F1 again, and here I'm going to choose monoblock. Monoblock means that it's like a one-up tool. There's no changeable insert, so we're not going to link it to the insert side of TopTool. Here the machining function for roughing, semi-finishing, fishing is fine. Next we have our tool link type, and this is what links it to a specific type of holder. Here I'm just going to accept the default, and then my total tool length is going to be the 196.5. Oops, I double-clicked. That's okay, 196.5. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to use QS20 in this case. And now at this point, we're going to go ahead and hit Add, confirm the addition. So now we've created Bill's Special Groove Tool. Next, we want to link it to our custom drawing. So to do that, I'm going to just click Details while I have that selected. Now I'm going to go to the General tab. I'm going to go down to Drawing File, and I'm going to tap F1 on my keyboard. And here it's going to give us the custom name. Here I'm just going to do a Control-C to copy. Say OK. Okay, now leaving this alone, I'm going to go to TopSolid. I'm going to do a Save As. And I'm going to switch to my TopSolid install directory, which is on my C drive to Missler. I'm going to go to Config, Database, Draw, and I'm going to save it with that special name that was just created by TopTool. And then I'll go ahead and close that file. Now if I go back to TopTool, I can cancel out of that, say OK, so I'm back at the main menu. In the next video, we'll go ahead and link this tool to a tool holder, and then go test it inside a TopSolid CAM.